Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to add a testimonial slider to your Shopify store in 2025. A testimonial slider helps build trust and showcase customer reviews in a professional way. Let's get started. First of all, log into your Shopify admin panel at shopify.com. Once logged in, go to online store, then click themes. Some Shopify themes come with a built-in testimonial slider. To check, click on customize. Under your active theme, look for a testimonial or review section. If your theme has it, simply add your customer testimonials here and save the changes. If your theme doesn't include a testimonial slider, no worries, you can add one using a free or paid Shopify app. Go back to apps, add apps, and then click Shopify App Store. And now in the search bar, search for testimonial slider. Here you can see like jazz.me product reviews, then other slider app. Install the app of your choice and follow its setup instructions to add a testimonial slider to your store. Now go to online store, then customize or select edit code. Open the sections. If you want custom testimonial slider without using apps, you can add one manually. Here's how. Uh, Go back to homepage, then themes, then edit code. From here, open the sections folder, and click add a new section. Name it testimonial slider. And copy and paste this code inside the new section. Okay, now go back to customize theme and add the testimonial slider section to your home page. Add your customer reviews and you are done. Finally, test your store to make sure the slider works smoothly. Click through the testimonials and check on mobile devices as well. And that's how you add a testimonial slider to your Shopify store in 2025. If this tutorial helped, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, and thanks for watching.